Hi, welcome back to Linux Python. In this video, I would like to tell you about how to use Python as a calculator. Python is an awesome calculator to calculate from small, simple calculations to a complex scientific calculations. We can do a simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and many simple things, and also we can do the trigonometrical calculations like sine, cos, and many other functions. And also we can do a many lot of things with the Python. So let's dive in and see how we can calculate. So now I'm going to invoke a Python interpreter by typing Python. So this is a Python console. So I'm assuming that you already know about Python, how to you have installed Python, and you are able to use a simple Python commands and Python interpreter. So let's see how it works. So to run to do simple calculations, you don't want to write any code. So just type the numbers and the symbols which we type in a calculator in general. So let's see a simple addition. So I'd like to add 1 plus 2. So the console automatically gives the 3 value here in our console output. So let's see a multiplication. So 34 star 65. So it's a 2210. So not only these simple commands, we can do the squares as well. See, let's 2 to the power of, for the square we have to use 2 stars, and we can do any number of in these things. So 2 to the power of 3, so it gives the 8. And one more good thing about the Python console is we can give a large numbers also. Let's see, 2 to the power of 1000. Sorry, I'm sorry, it's a multiplication. So let's see the power 2 to the power 1000. So that's the number. Not only this one, you can do 10,000 as well. So let's see how it works. 2 double star 10,000. So that's the big number. See how large this number is, and the Python did in a fraction of seconds with my system. So that's the power of Python as a calculator. And not only power, we can do many lot of the cool stuff with Python. So there is a if you want to execute some scientific calculations, you have to import a library called math. So you can download it, or else if you are using Anaconda, it's automatically built in. So import math. So that's it. Now you can use math dot e. So the number of e, you can use e number directly. So let's see e into 2. So let's see math dot e star 2. So the value is 5.433 dot 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 dot. All right. And you can see what are the functions by typing the help command. Uh, what are the different functions we can have in the math. So this is a description. This module is always available. It provides across the mathematical functions defined by the C standards. So you can see the many functions here, acos, arc cosine, and many stuff like this, and cosine, e of exponentials and factorials, floors, and many functions you can use here in GCD. These are all the functions we can use. See here the data, the e value and infinite values is the none value, it's a pi value. So this is the function. So we can use this calculator as a, if you want, if you are in any PC or anywhere. So if you don't have a scientific calculator, just you can try it out and solve some problems. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. There's a lot of Python tips and tricks, and thank you very much.